Well, whilst I was in Betws, I went into this little shop, which I normally do, and I spent another load of money on this. It caught my eye for two reasons. First of all, when I had my first railway out in Kenya, this Mallard was the locomotive that my father bought for me to run around the track. So it had some memories to it. But the other thing that caught my eye was the price. £135.99. Well, in fact, on the front was another sticker which didn't have the 99 pence on it. So the lady sold it to me for £135. And it's with sound. Twin track sound. So I'm going to be fascinated to see what it's actually like. So let's just take it out the box, and it's a Hornby, obviously. Let's put that down. Well, there the information and the instructions and so on. And now we push a little bit here, a little bit here. Well, there it is. Well, it's quite heavy. Yeah, it's got a good weight to it, and sprung buffers. Detailing is quite nice, and I don't go into that much detail, I'm afraid, because I'm not that much of an expert, but to me it looks okay. So now let's take it up to the loft and try it on the track. Yeah, I just noticed that in the back of the polystyrene packing there's a little box wrapper here with some detailed pipework and coupling for the front if you wish to put it on there. So it looks quite comprehensive, and I like these little handrails here. I'd say that was nicely detailed. There's no glass in the windows, but I don't know, that doesn't really matter, I suppose, but a nice little handrail running along the side here as well. So all in all, it looks good. Right, well, there she is on the track, and we'll try some of the functions. So F1, background steam and steam exhaust. F2, chime whistle long. F3, chime whistle short. F4, chime whistle short 2. 5, doors slamming. 6, wheel slip. 7, coal shoveling. 8, blow down. 9, safety valve. 10, injector. 11, Sydney cylinder cock. 12, brake. Oh, I've got something wrong there. and we start to move. So it moving nice and slowly. That's looking good. I'll just reverse up a bit. Bit of a jump there. Don't know why that was. Anyway, let's send it round the track. I didn't catch it on camera, but as it came round the corner there, it leapt off the track. Well, that was quite a mishap, and I'm the sort of person that only uses the instructions when the things go wrong, and it was entirely my fault, that, because this little tiny packing piece was in between the tender and the footplate, and it was there for packing purposes. I hadn't taken it out, and so it was stopping the turn of the tender. So we've learned that, and now we'll have another go. Okay, I did notice that one of the tender wheels was off the track, and I put it back on. A bit faster. Now all I have to do is buy some LNER coaches for it to pull. And then I'm going to swing round here now, because this is probably the last time that I shall film Fulchester, because I'm going to take it to pieces and rebuild. I don't know quite what I'm going to do at the moment, but it's all going to go. and probably a bit wider around the edges and at the back, and the middle will disappear to get more access. But I've got to work out dimensions yet and see what happens. But as far as Mallard is concerned, considering that I haven't been up here for several weeks and the tracks are dirty and they've suffered a little bit with the heat, very hot weather, I've got to say I'm pleased with it.